Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me once again for another review and another unboxing. Bringing you another beautiful Halloween unboxing. Of course, Rob Zombie. Lately I've been on Rob Zombie game. And of course another package from Scott Spencer. Those of you who do not know who Scott Spencer is, he's the guy behind QOTS, Quiet in the Set. He's the guy that's been in this business for a long time. And he does a beautiful job on Myers masks and a lot of other stuff. But he's also does a lot of good stuff in the Rob Zombie rehauls. You guys seen my previous one that he did for the 2007 Rob Zombie Myers. Right now I'm going to be showing you the Hobo mask, or the, oh Jesus, flew out of my freaking head, or not aged, but oh jeez, just the Hobo. It flew out of my head, and I had a rough day at work today, so yeah, just flew out of my head. But let's get down to this unboxing. He's a little busy lately. He took, he was so busy with his own business and trying to work on my mask and everybody else's mask, but he finally did it. Thank you, Scott, once again for this. I love your work. Keep up the great work, and good luck with everything else. And let's get this thing out of this bag. Okay, one second. All right, guys, got him out. Looks crazy in person. Pictures never did anything justice. Well, this thing does look pretty amazing. Look at this freaking mask, guys. Wow. Let me just put this on the head so you can have a better idea how crazy this mask looks. I'm glad you guys joined me today. Thank you for subscribing. And those of you who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, rate, and I will be putting a lot more videos down in the future. If you haven't seen my videos yet, go to my channel, scroll down and see what you might be interested in to look at. But I have a lot of cool stuff I have, and I'm gonna have a lot of cool stuff in the future. I'll see you guys later.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. I killed him.
Who'd you kill, sweetie? Who'd you kill?
I killed him.
evil.
Are you a giant?
Now, the secret behind his madness will finally be revealed.
Only a river of blood can bring us together again.
No, there's no one out here.
We are all counting on you to take us home this year. Now go have some fun.
On August 28th,
Evil is here. It's walking amongst us. Michael is more evolved.
Rob Zombie completes his extreme vision of a terrifying legend.
Kill her, baby.